Skye, where should we drive to? Keep driving forward. You're almost there.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Oh, I know that sound. That sound is a police car.
Chase is on the case. Oh, hey Fizzy. We are on a Paw Patrol mission.
We?
Exactly! It's another day as Paw Patrol. Come with us, Fizzy.
Awesome!
Okay, Fizzy, we have something to solve.
Whoa! Your car is awesome, Chase! Whoa! What happens if I touch this?
Well, it makes a very loud noise.
Oops!
Don't worry, it's just for when we alert others that we are in a rush and need the roads to be cleared. The lights tend to flash red and blue so that we can be seen. Oh, we have a backed up road. Awesome! Skye came through on my radio. Lots of police cars have radios so they can talk to other cars. Hey Fizzy, watch this! Mission accomplished! Look, my car is blue, and it has the Paw Patrol shield on it. This helps everyone see my car and know it's a police Paw Patrol vehicle.
Wow! That is so cool! Thanks for showing me, Chase.
We could show you the rest of our vehicles.
Awesome sauce!
Okay, I've had a report of a fire nearby. Let's check it out. I'll find it.
Whoa! It is so cool being this high up.
That's why I love flying. You can see it all from above. This is my plane.
How does it fly?
Well, every plane has wings to help it. Look at mine. They're curved, but they're also very flat. This means that the air pushes them up from the bottom. And that helps me to fly.
Whoa! And what are those wheels on the top?
They're my propellers. Think of it as a wing that spins. This pushes the plane upwards.
But how do you know where to go?
Well, lots of planes have built-in maps. I have my radio, and because I'm looking for Paw Patrol vehicles, I won't be using my map.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Oh, I've just spotted Zuma. Back to the ground we go.
It's chilly.
My car is made so that I can battle any weather.
Ooh, that's so clever.
I have these big, thick tires for driving over any kind of surface. Whether it's snowy, rainy, or hot, these give me grip.
Oh no, now it's raining.
Just like Skye, I have propellers that help me keep moving forward. Even when the wind is blowing strongly.
Zuma, I can't see very well.
It looks like the weather is too bad. Don't worry, Fizzy. We can ask Skye where to go. Skye, where should we drive to? Keep driving forward. You're almost there.
What do we do?
I'm ready for a rough rescue. My car is a fire truck. This means that our job is to put out any fires safely.
Wow, that's exciting.
We have sirens too, but they sound a little different to a police car. We also have bright colors on our cars so that we can easily be seen.
Awesome. But what about the fire, Marshall? Marshall, your car is spraying water.
This is my favorite bit. Lots of these cars have special tools. Mine is a hose that blasts water. Some have a tank of water like mine, and some connect to hydrants on the street.
Whoa! I did not know that. That is totally awesome, Marshall.
Now we just need to rebuild this home. Rubble on the double.
Oh, hey, Rubble. We need to rebuild this home.
Let's do it. I drive a yellow bulldozer. Cool, right?
Super cool. And yours is a really bright color as well. This color makes them easy to see, which is important for safety on busy construction sites.
My bulldozer has this big scoop on the front that I can control from inside my truck. Look! It also has these tires that can drive over any surface because they're so big.
Wow, that's great!
And even better, the home is rebuilt.
That was so fun! First, I learned about police cars.
Chases on the case.
And then planes.
This pup's gotta fly.
And all-weather cars.
Let's dive in.
And also about fire trucks.
I'm fired up.
And rebuilding with a bulldozer.
Rubble on the double.
I learned so much today. Thank you for teaching me, everyone.
No problem. Now, Paw Patrol pups, we better fly. More like drive.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.